Namaskar everyone. How are you? Hope you all are well and safe. So students, in our previous lecture we have completed chapter 4 in worksheet, but today we will do the question bank firstly of chapter 4. Okay, and after then we will start chapter 5, the Southern Plateau in worksheet. Okay, so let's do the question bank of chapter 4 on page number 2. On page number 2 in your worksheet. Okay, so what is our question bank? First exercise, answer in one word. Answer in one word. Here is first question is, which desert in India known as the Great Indian Desert? So, which desert known as the Great Indian Desert? The Thar Desert is known as the Great Indian Desert. Okay, it is in west side of India. That is why it is also known as the Western Desert of India. Okay, it is a hot desert and near to Tropic of Cancer. Okay, it is near to Tropic of Cancer. It is also in the west side, so it is also known as the Western Desert because it is the greatest desert in India. That is why it is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Okay everyone, clear? Now second is, which city of desert region is called the city of lakes? Which desert region known as the city of lakes? Which is Udaipur. Udaipur is called the city of lakes. Udaipur has many lakes. Okay, I told you about the important lakes which are located in Udaipur in your explanation time. I am going to repeat it. 5 important lakes of Udaipur. First is Fateh Sagar Lake. Okay, and second was the Rang Sagar Lake, and third was the Swarup Sagar Lake, and Swarup Sagar Lake is also known as the Kumharia Talab, and the fourth is Dudh Talai Lake, and fifth is Pichola Lake. And I told you that what was the reason behind the lakes of Udaipur? Different kings, those were ruled there, made the lakes. उन्होंने ही ये सारे lakes बनवाए थे. But for which purpose? To provide the water resource of their people. जो भी लोग उदयपुर में रहते थे उन्हें एक अच्छा वाटर सोर्स प्रोवाइड कर सके, इसके लिए उन्होंने लेक बनाए थे. एंड ऑल द लेक्स ऑफ उदयपुर आर आर्टिफिशियल. आर्टिफिशियल मीन्स all the lakes are made up by human. Okay, so now third is now the third question, which animal known as the sheep of the desert? Which is known as the sheep of desert? Which animal? Yes, camel. Camel is known as the sheep of desert. Camel is known as the sheep of desert. Okay, why camel is known as the sheep of desert? Why? Because the camels are the only mode of transport by which people cross the desert, as their long legs and padded feet help them walk through thick sand easily. Okay, and it can survive without water for a long time. Okay, so that is why camel is known as the sheep of desert. Why? The camels are the only mode of transport by which people across the desert, as their long legs and padded feet help them walk through thick sand easily. Okay. Now the next question is, fourth is, which canal known as the Indira Gandhi Canal? So it is Rajasthan Canal. Rajasthan Canal is also known as the Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay, it brings water for thirsty area. Okay, thirsty area means desert region. Desert region is very dry, hot and dry, so it's known as the thirsty area. Okay, now next is, where we see the settlements in desert region. Student, do the correction here in the spelling of region. region. Right here region, region. Okay. So near oasis we see the settlements in desert region. Okay, so what is oasis? An oasis is a place in a desert where water is found. Okay, and a few settlements or small villages are clustered around these oases. Okay, now done question bank of chapter 4. So now we will start our chapter 5, the southern plateau. Okay, let's start. Day 1. Okay, multiple choice question. The Western Ghats are the source of the Deccan rivers. Okay, many Deccan's rivers originate from the Western Ghats and then they move to eastward. Okay, so tick on Deccan rivers. Now the plateau, second is the plateau which lies between Vindhya and Satpura range is Deccan Plateau. A plateau which lies between Vindhya and Satpura range is Deccan Plateau. Okay. Now the next is the hills that lies to the northeast of southern plateau. The hills that lies to the northeast of the southern plateau. So I told you the central highland is divided into two parts. It has hill in central plateau is also our part of southern plateau. So it has Rajmahal hill in northeast. Okay, where Damodar river flow. Okay, northeast. So our option is Rajmahal hills. Option C, central highland has divided into two part. One's come in Malwa plateau. Okay, which is near to Aravali hills, and the second is Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay, where Rajmahal hills is located. On the north side of the Chota plateau there is Rajmahal hills and the direction of Rajmahal hills is northeast. Okay, so option C is our right answer. Now here is fill in the blanks. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. The dash and the dash border southern plateau on three sides. So our answer is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, okay, and the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal borders southern plateau on three sides. Okay, on three sides. Now the second is the southern plateau is a storehouse of minerals like coal and gold. Okay, you can write coal and gold. Okay, now the day 2, unscramble the following words. So first unscramble letter will make the plateau. Okay, plateau, Plateau. Now the second unscramble letters will make the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. Second will make Kanyakumari. And third will make highlands. Highlands. Okay. Second will make highlands. Okay everyone. Now do the question bank. Do the question bank. Question bank is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Exercise 1. First is the river dash divide the plateau region into two parts. It means which river divided the plateau region into two parts. So it is Narmada. Okay. In the north of Narmada, we have Central Highland, and in the to the south of Narmada, we have Deccan Plateau. Okay. Now, the Western Ghats are a long range of hills. Okay. Western Ghats are a long range of hills like Nilgiri Hills. Okay. And the rivers originate in the Central Highlands. The rivers originate in the Central Highland is Narmada. Narmada river originate in Central Highlands and flow westward and meet to Arabian Sea. Okay? Narmada river originates in the Central Highland and then flow westward and meet to Arabian Sea. Largest plateau. Now the fourth is largest plateau in India is Deccan Plateau, because the southern part, we have two part of southern plateau of India. Okay, when we divided it, the Narmada river divided our southern plateau into two part. First is Central Highland and second is Deccan Plateau, and Deccan Plateau is covering most of part of the southern plateau. That is why it is also known as the Great Deccan Plateau of India, okay, or the largest plateau of India. Now it is also called a tableland. So what is called tableland? What is called tableland? Yes, it is very easy. You know, the plateau is called the tableland because it is high, okay, and flat at the top. It is a high land and flat on the top like as a table. Like this, it is high and flat on the top like as a table. Okay. So this is our plateau. Plateau is called a tableland. Now we have unscramble. Unscramble the word. Unscramble the word. Here is first is unscramble. First unscramble will make Gangor. First is make Gangor and second is Deccan. Second will make the Deccan. Okay. And third will make the camel. Third will make the camel. Okay. And fourth will make the Narmada. Four will make the Narmada. And fifth will make the Plateau. Okay everyone. So our chapter number 5 is completed in our worksheet. Okay, we will do the chapter 6 in worksheet in our next video lecture. Okay everyone. So now take care everyone and complete your worksheet chapter 4 and 5. Okay, we did the question bank also of chapter 4 today and chapter 5. So complete in your homework, complete your worksheet chapter 4 question bank and chapter 5, complete chapter 5. Okay, take care everyone, goodbye.